So I'm going to show you one of my favorite recipes. It was a recipe that a friend of mine made whenever I had my baby shower for my youngest child, and it's been a saver ever since then. So it is for baked sweet potatoes. It goes really well with turkey or chicken. Actually, it goes pretty much with anything. So I'm going to show you. It's very simple. So what I did to start is I cooked probably about 6 medium-sized sweet potatoes. I cut them in chunks, cooked them, they're still hot. I'm gonna dump them in my bowl. I'm going to mix them with a mixer once I add everything to it. So first I have the sweet potatoes. Then I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Put that in there. And 2 tablespoons each of melted butter and coconut oil. Combination, 2 tablespoons each, melted butter and coconut oil. The next ingredient is 2 beaten eggs. Just whip them up a little bit and put them in there. And then we got a 1/3 cup of milk. I used organic soy milk, but you can use any milk of your choosing. Dairy-free is awesome. I'll just go ahead and stick that in here. The next is a teaspoon of vanilla extract, teaspoon. And then the last ingredient to put in this is a 1/2 cup of, calls for flaked coconut. I'm gonna use shredded, either one works. So I have all the ingredients in there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on my mixer, mix it all up, and then I have a prepped, oiled 13x9 pan. I'm gonna put it in there, and then we're gonna make the topping. I am going to go ahead and add my sweet potato mixture to my 13x9 pan. I will add, I had kids that did not like sweet potatoes. However, nobody turned their nose up to this. So you can make healthy foods taste good. Just gonna spread this out a little bit, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Looks good already without the topping even. Show you there, just like that. Now I'm gonna mix the topping. So I am going to put a 1/4 cup of coconut sugar. And then I'm going to put a 1/2 cup of chopped pecans, however you like to say it. And then 2 tablespoons melted butter. And then the last ingredient is a 1/4 cup of flour. I used Maverick Gluten-Free Cup-for-Cup Flour. It seems to work the best, especially if you're feeding other people. Okay, so I'm just mixing those 4 ingredients together. And then once I have them all mixed up, I'm gonna put it in a 350 oven for 35 to 40 minutes. So if you have never made a crumb topping, that's sort of what you're gonna see here with that. So then I'm just gonna take this and spread it out on the sweet potatoes a little bit. I'm doing it a little quicker than normal, but I'll just give you a little bit of an idea of what it would look like. So sort of like that. I hope you enjoy it.
Hi, Dr. Saxena here, Chief Medical Officer at Form Health. Thanks for visiting our channel. Make sure to subscribe to get the latest insights and information on functional and integrative medicine.